You did something really sweet. I don't know why you did this, but your Twitter and Facebook profile is you on this show. How come you did that? Look how cute this is.
My favourite show.
Oh, you're so sweet. Look at that.
It was the cheapest shot, you know? I could buy it off the internet.
Really? Well, I want to update it. So I did something earlier today, and maybe you can use this now. Look at this.
Give me 15 minutes and I'll have that up.
Okay. All right.
Can we have Eduardo in the background?
Yeah, yes, that's a great idea. Okay. Let's put Eduardo in the background. All right, so let's talk about this picture that I saw this, I guess it was this summer, where you visited. Where does this little creature, it lives in Australia, right? What's it called?
It's called a quokka. And they're in this sort of kangaroo family, marsupial, nocturnal. Cutest little creatures. But
you said it yourself that they're nocturnal. Why were you bothering it during the day if they're nocturnal?
I mean, social media, you know, it comes at a price.
It got fame from that?
I wake up.
Yeah. It's a cute little thing, but really, it looks very tame. Are they all that tame?
Apparently, yeah.
Yeah. That's a cute little thing. You have a lot of animals at your house. What do you have now? What's the newest?
Oh, God, what do we have now? We have 3 donkeys, a dog, a number of fish, a water dragon, 3 guinea pigs, 3 rabbits, 4 rabbits, actually, 2 chickens, and 3, whatever you call it, my kids. They're definitely from the animal kingdom.
Oh, yeah, the kids are from the animal kingdom?
Yeah, so they're...
Oh, I love those chickens.
There they are, that's them.
We want to get those kind of, what are they called again? Chickens? Yeah, they're chickens. So what does scare you? You said you passed out when your dad had the thing, but there's so many things in Australia. I see the size of snakes there, the size of spiders. What scares you there?
Vending machines?
No.
Talk shows?
There's not one. Think of one animal that might
scares
be.
Me?
Yeah.
That I wouldn't want to be in a room with. I mean, what the? Wow. Is that the? Oh, it was awful.
You almost punched that guy.
I was wondering if I was missing something. I was like, I mean, I don't know. Where am I gonna? I did not at all punch it. I went straight to like. No. Retreat, retreat.
I think that was.
Was that a quokka, the one I woke up?
I think it was a quokka. Let's take a look. I didn't. It was so fast.
It's pretty similar.
It's yeah.
That I wouldn't want to be in a room with. I mean, what the? It was a sight.
All right, we'll be back more with Chris after this.